Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5 best 60% keyboards. Starting at number 5. Razer Huntsman Tournament Edition. Shelling out more than $100 for a great gaming keyboard is to be expected if you're even slightly serious your gaming performance. But the beauty of Razer Huntsman Tournament Edition is that it manages to deliver fast performance without being the most expensive keyboard in town. True, there aren't a lot of features here, which puts it behind many of its feature-rich rivals. Coming at number 4. Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. A $159 price tag on a gaming keyboard might a tad too steep, but the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum, one of the best gaming keyboards we've tested in the last year, really does give you a lot of ounce for your bounce. We're not talking the more trivial bells and whistles like fancy RGB lighting either, although since we are on the subject, this one's got a whole lot of them, not to mention its integrated 19-zone light bar and the 16.8 million color options, to boot. At number 3. Mountain Everest Max. The Everest Max is the result of a successfully backed Kickstarter campaign. A fully customizable modular keyboard where it feels like every aspect of the design has been planned by the PC enthusiast community. Its modular design includes a media deck with an innovative display dial with boundless potential to monitor or change your PC performance, a left or right-handed numpad with 4 programmable macro keys similar to those seen on the Elgato Stream Deck, and a plush wrist rest. Number 2 of my list. Rockcat Vulcan TKL Pro. The new addition to the Vulcan line, the Rockcat Vulcan TKL Pro, doesn't exactly go full compact, like the host of mini gaming keyboards that have recently hit the streets. This one just sacrifices the numeric keypad, only chopping a few inches off its original's form factor so that it fits small setups better, without completely abandoning the necessary bits like arrow keys. This strategy isn't exactly new. Gaming keyboards like the Razer Huntsman Tournament Edition and Corsair K95 Wireless have done it years prior. However, Rockcat adds its own spin to the Rockcat Vulcan TKL Pro, giving it the floating keys design that's an absolute stunner and those Titan optical switches that are just a pleasure to use. And number 1. Razer Huntsman V2 Analog. Combining the latest optical technology and Razer's analog mechanical key switches, the Razer Huntsman V2 Analog is good enough to get a 5-star rating from us. That's underselling it. This gaming keyboard delivers the best typing and gaming experience of any keyboard we've tested in the last few months, with extremely satisfying tactile feedback and a wrist rest that's designed to let you game for longer. As far as keyboards go, it is sitting on the expensive side of things, but it's definitely worth it. Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.